This is my front door, just has black knob. Then up here to your right, we have a painting that I painted when I was very little. Then if we go over here, we have my closet, which is kind of messy right now.
Take out the bee bag. I want to sit on.
No.
I want to sit on.
My mom said not to get anything out today.
I don't know what I'm gonna do.
What's it stuck on?
Come to my house and I'm gonna help.
Why is the door like stuck?
Is that for me?
It's like,
Of course. I have tons of
is it like broke?
practice and by tomorrow.
Oh, it's that hook.
Poetry star.
Oh. Well, it's gonna have to be like that then.
What?
Then over here, I kind of have like these shelves area. Brody, no!
Do you have anything regular?
Leave!
Everything here is making me jumpy.
Then we have this painting, which is much better that I painted.
Well, that shouldn't be hard.
Then here's a mirror. Hey guys.
Terrifying poetry.
Then over here, we just have some paintings and stuff. That I painted this one, and then I bought that one. And then this is where it gets interesting. So when you walk in,
What do you think, Bridget? Well, to be perfectly honest, no.
there it is. Oh, and we also have these little things. These are just a blanket and then stuff with storage in it. Then we have a blanket right at the beginning. And look at this bed, guys.
Hi.
Oh. So, look at that. It's amazing.
And then this thing.
And then here's the bed.
Don't even mention me.
And it has a little butterfly back there. Then on the windowsill, my mom did this. I painted this.
I did too. I painted one too.
Yeah, it was at my birthday party.
Charming words.
Charming word.
And then we have my Barbie house and my big doll house. Then we have my dresser, which matches my bed. And then we have my TV. And then we have this mirror back here.
Wait, I want to get
And it has lights up there.
this book. But the first poem,
We have Vampirina on because my little brother was in here. There's me.
we yelled at him to get out.
Yeah. There's a flamingo that I bought.
Nelly.
Here's an S that I bought. And then there's like a little hand sanitizer back there. It's Sweet Pea.
So I meant with an X.
And then here's just a quote. And then we have pictures of friends. And just a bunch of stuff. No, I don't even know. Yeah, you are. Is it this here? No, that's me.
Sure I can.
I thought I put you on there. Oh. Well, we'll find that picture. So thank you guys for watching this video. Comment, subscribe, like, and if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Bye, guys.